Okay, so we did look at the NCES ed.gov website, and that's a really easy graphing system to use. But if you want to do something more advanced, you can use Google Sheets, which is similar to Excel, or you could use Excel if you have that program at home. We don't have those on our Chromebooks, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to take this same data that we graphed here, and we're going to put it into a sheet, Google Sheet. And so all you do is you make a table of the same information. And then you highlight the cells that you wrote the information in, and you go Insert Chart. And it will automatically create a chart for you. And then I believe we can just move this. Yeah, we can move it off to the side here so we can see it a little better. And then you can go over here and you can edit that. So we have a pie chart right now, and it shows you that we have 34% girls. It says 15% boys and 50% total. And you should be thinking, Mrs. Scobus, that's not correct. It is not correct. So we need to fix this chart a little bit. So let's see if we take this off. That will fix it. There we go. Now that looks better to me. 68% girls, 31% boys. Okay, so we could do that. We can open that chart editor again. Here it is. I just double clicked on the pie graph to open that up. And we can label boys versus girls in 7B. And we can change it. If we don't want a pie chart, we could do bar graph, or we could do sidebar graph. We could, if it were helpful, we could use areas, we could use columns. You could pretty much choose any graph you want. Super easy with the Google Sheets. You can change your style. You can change your background color if you want. You can make it look like CK colors. That's nice. You have your markers on the sides here. You've got your title. If you wanted to change that, you just double click and you can type. If you want to change that, you can double click here. Boys versus girls in 7B, like maybe I don't want this extra verses. Take that out. And you can add grid lines, take grid lines off. You can go ahead and change any of the colors, legends, formatting, what kind of font. All of those things are available to you to customize. After you're finished, you just click that off and you have your graph. And then again, you can just copy and paste that right into your other document, or you could just print this graph straight from Excel or a spreadsheet. But you will want to import this into your binder document for grading and for the final binder when you turn that in February. I think I prefer the pie graph on this one. So I would go back up here and I would change this back to pie. It's not a lot that I like a pie graph for, but this one I really do like a pie graph. And that shows you the proportion of girls to boys. Very basic. Let me know if you have any questions.